In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button on your Wix website. This is a great way to enhance interaction with visitors by offering them a convenient way to contact you directly through WhatsApp. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your Wix website. Once you're on your Wix homepage, ensure you're logged in so you can access the website editor. Next, you'll want to click on Add Apps within the Wix editor. This is your gateway to the many features Wix allows you to integrate into your site. Apps can enhance your website by adding functions like social media links, galleries, and of course, messaging options. Clicking Add Apps will take you to the App Market, a vast resource full of different tools. Now type WhatsApp into the search bar. This will bring you a list of options related to integrating WhatsApp functionalities into your website. You'll specifically want to find an app that lets you integrate a WhatsApp chat button easily. Look for an option that mentions effortless integration, making sure that this app will sync seamlessly with your existing setup. Once you've found the app that meets these criteria, click on Add to Site. This step integrates the app into your Wix website, embedding the WhatsApp chat button into your layout. Adding something to your site may take a few moments, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. It's usually a smooth process and will notify you when the app is successfully added. After you've added the app to your site, it's time to connect your WhatsApp number. Here, you will enter your WhatsApp phone number, including the country code. Inputting the number correctly ensures that when visitors click the button, they are directed to the correct chat window to reach you. Finally, it's time to customize the button design. Wix allows you to tailor the appearance of your WhatsApp button to fit your website's aesthetic and branding. You can customize colors, fonts, and even preset messages to give your visitors a more personalized experience. Take the time to adjust these settings so that the button not only fits in seamlessly with your site, but also stands out enough to be noticed by visitors. To wrap up, adding a WhatsApp button on your Wix site is a quick yet effective way to enhance communication capabilities, allowing your visitors to reach out directly. If you follow these steps, you'll find that integrating this feature is both straightforward and incredibly beneficial for maintaining strong connections with your audience. As always, I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and happy editing!